Weeks. So boring but the house, man. Let's go and take one walk to the beach. Huh?
Yeah, okay, go get ready. We'll go take a walk and go. Hey, Dolly,
What?
make fast, man. The beach water is gonna close. Why you don't hurry up little bit and walk? You're letting me walk by myself over here.
What you rushing me for? You know my leg not coming here. Just help me.
Hey, hurry up, Dolly. See, my hat flew off my head.
Yeah, come.
See, my hat is going. My hat is going. Dolly, help, Dolly, my hat is flying.
Yeah, run. Do some exercise. Who asked you to wear a hat on a windy day and come by the beach, huh?
Hey, I don't know. It's so windy it is. I don't know why we even came to the beach. My hat is going. Hey, Dolia, see your scarf is flying like one Hindi movie. Check it out. Like one Hindi girl used to have your scarf is flying. In the wind.
Very irritating, man. Come, just stand here quietly. Let's take one selfie. Ow.
I think we should take the mask out. Then the photo will come out better.
Like, smile. Achoo! It's so windy that dust and all is flying. Please wanna come from here, Biggs? Biggs, man! This man too. So big couple. I don't know whose legs are these. Biggs! Oh, this man's only. Biggs, wait for me.